Hi, friends! Welcome to Toon Hugs, the happiest place for fun, learning, and lots of laughter. Let's jump into today's adventure.
Deep inside the Sundarban forest lived a mighty tiger named Sheru. Sheru was strong, fearless, and the undisputed king of the jungle. Whenever he walked, the ground seemed to shake. Animals bowed, birds flew away, and even the wind whispered his name. But despite all his power, Sheru had no friends. Everyone feared him. Everyone stayed away. Except one. A little green parrot named Mittu. Mittu was tiny, cheerful, and full of kindness. He loved singing, dancing, and helping anyone in need. He was not afraid of anyone, not even Sheru. Every morning, he would fly to Sheru's cave and chirp, "Good morning, Sheru. Have a great day." Sheru would roll his eyes and grumble, "You talk too much, little bird." But deep inside, Sheru enjoyed Mittu's company. He would never admit it, though. One evening, dark clouds gathered over the forest. Thunder roared, lightning flashed, and heavy rain began to fall. Sheru was returning from the river when suddenly, crack! His giant paw got stuck between two fallen tree branches. He roared loudly in pain. "Roar! Somebody help!" But the storm was loud. The forest was empty. No animal dared come close. He tried to pull his paw out, but the branches only tightened around it. The pain grew unbearable. For the first time, the mighty tiger felt helpless. He whispered weakly, "Is anyone there?" High up in a tree, Mittu heard the faint roar. "That sounds like Sheru," he said worriedly. Without wasting a second, he flew through the heavy rain toward the sound. When he reached the spot, he saw Sheru lying there, wet, injured, shivering, and trapped. Mittu didn't think about danger. He didn't think about size. He didn't think about fear. He thought only about one thing: helping a friend. He fluttered down and said, "Don't worry, Sheru, I'm here." Sheru growled softly, You're too small. You can't help me." Mittu puffed up his feathers and said, "Being small doesn't matter. Brave hearts are always big." Sheru looked at him with surprise. Mittu quickly flew around the area. He used his sharp beak to pick up small sticks. He dropped them into the gaps to loosen the giant branches. Then he called the monkeys from the treetops. "Friends, come help! Sheru is trapped!" The monkeys swung down and began pulling one side of the fallen branch. Mittu then flew to the elephants. "Sheru needs help! Please come!" The elephants arrived and gently pushed the heavy trunk aside. With everyone's help and Mittu's courage, the branches finally moved enough for Sheru to pull his paw out. Sheru collapsed on the ground, breathing heavily. Mittu perched on his head and said softly, "See, big or small, help is help." Sheru smiled for the first time in years. Mittu helped Sheru walk back to the cave. He cleaned the wound with medicinal leaves, brought water in a large leaf, and stayed awake the whole night guarding him. The next morning, when Sheru opened his eyes, Mittu was still sitting beside him. "Why didn't you go home?" Sheru asked. Mittu chirped, "Friends don't leave when things get tough." Sheru felt his heart melt. He had always believed strength came from size, power, and fear. But now he understood true strength comes from kindness and friendship. From that day on, Sheru changed. He no longer scared animals for fun. He protected the weaker ones. He shared food, helped solve problems, and became a gentle leader. And through it all, Mittu stayed by his side. Whenever someone asked, "How did the mighty tiger become so kind?" Sheru would look at Mittu and say, "Because someone small showed me a big heart." Moral of the story: no one is too small to make a big difference. Kindness is the greatest strength, and true friends help in times of need.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toon Hugs for more fun and moral stories for kids.